Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. Another puff pastry snack on the channel. It is going to be some frankfurter puff pastry curry snacks with a curry ketchup on the side. So they are kind of like Currywurst inspired. They are so delicious, easy and perfect for a good game night when there is some sport on the TV. Let's get started. I'm going to brush one sheet of puff pastry with some lightly whisked egg. Sprinkle over lots of curry powder. And then I'm going to cut some stripes that fits into my little frankfurter sausage pieces. And then it's just all about rolling them up and just give them a bit of a squeeze so the puff pastry stays where it is. Do it to them all. Place them all on a baking sheet with some parchment paper on and brush with some lightly whisked egg. And sprinkle with some sesame seeds. Bake in the oven for around 20 minutes at 180 degrees C convection oven or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. And when they are done in the oven, they are ready to be served. But before serving these up, I'll just quickly make a curry ketchup. It's just your favorite ketchup mixed with the amount of curry powder that you like. But I like quite a good amount of it and just give it a taste and add in more if it needs it. But when the curry ketchup is done, these bad boys are ready to be served. I'm so ready to dig into this curry ketchup with my sausage. Nice layer. Good big bite. It is so delicious. And just remember to enjoy them warm because I think these are best warm. They are also delicious cold, but they are best warm. And then this curry ketchup, you decide how much curry you want in there. They're absolutely delicious. You don't really need an ingredients list, but I'll still write it all down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe here and check in again soon for my next video. Bye!